How to buy and sell in unified trading account Bybit. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to trade using the unified trading account in the Bybit to buy and sell. So the unified trading, most people now get confused of what is the unified trading. So the unified trading is same as spot wallet. So before, if you go to this asset in your Bybit, if you go to asset in your Bybit account, so under this you'll be able now to see the spot wallet and the funding wallet. So in the recent time now, Bybit has changed the spot wallet to be unified trading, so you cannot be able now to see the spot wallet. So if you know how to trade the spot wallet, it's same as spot. If you just go to trade section, after you go to trade, now you go to spot. After you go to spot, so if you want to buy or sell, just select your pace. If you want to use market, after you select the market, so from this option now it will use now your Bybit funding, or if you want to use the Bybit spot wallet, that's your unified trading amount. Just after you type in the amount from this option, so if you just tap on the buy or sell button, automatically it will just use the unified trading account if you have any amount inside it. So in simple term, means that to trade, to sell and buy in the unified trading, it's same as spot trading. So it's same as just spot wallet. It just, this difference is now Bybit has changed the spot wallet name into unified account. That's it now. If you just know how to trade in the spot, you can just trade using the spot wallet. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll meet in the next one.